To make Wakelet even easier to use, we have provided access to a Chrome extension that utilizes and connects to your Wakelet account. So if you are logged in to your Chrome account and have your account synced, sync is on, then you should see a puzzle piece. If you do not see that puzzle piece, you're going to want to go visit the video, and the link is in the description, that shows you how to sync your profile so that you get this puzzle piece. So we click the puzzle piece, and then you can go on down to where it says Wakelet. I recommend clicking this little pin so that it will pin it to your toolbar up here, and then you can see this W. So the way this works, if you find an article that you want to include into your collection, you simply click up here on the W, and it will open up this little page related to your Wakelet. The title and the description can be edited right here. So in some cases, it may not pull all of these items. And then the important piece is choosing which collection it goes to. So in this case, I only have one collection available. When I hover over it, there's a save button. I click that save button. This window then goes away. When I go back to my Wakelet account, it automatically pops up in there. So it's a quicker way to access your Wakelet collections so that you don't necessarily have to have that open and jump from tab to tab. You can just click that W up there and automatically add to your Wakelet collections.